drive the 2023 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, FWD, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.